Hey guys, what's up? What's up? So I'm so excited to do this video and I have to clap when I say that because it's exciting, okay? Quite possibly my favorite PR package to ever come to my door. What in a while. So, can we just talk about how big this box is? I feel like it's half my body size. And can we just and the holographic goodness all over the box. And I just love how it says only at Walmart. Please don't mind my fingernails. I tried to paint them. I tried to be cute for y'all and they got smudged. I'm just gonna hold it like this. So yes, this is the Zodiac collection. I was excited that it came. I saw it online that it was coming out, but I didn't know if I was gonna get it. When it came, I was so excited because I just feel like Zodiac, that's my shit. I'm not like a Zodiac freak, like I don't have like Zodiac everything. I do love being a Libra and I do feel like Libra is me. And so when this came, I was like, yes, I want it. There's this super cute makeup pouch and I was like, oh my god, how cute is that? I'm such a Libra. When you open it up, there was this super cute necklace in there. And it's from the brand Jessica DiCarlo. There's the Libra sign and then it says J. Like, how freaking cute is that? I literally went, babe, how cute is that? And he was like, that is cute. Another thing in here that I thought was really cute is there's a couple pins in here. And being a Libra, my sign or element, the element that goes with Libra is the air sign. So they also gave me a pin with the air sign on it and a pin with Libra and it says Wet and Wild. The fact that they looked up my sign, like, stop. Moving on. I've already opened it and played around a little, so that's why it might look a little out of order. It looks like this. It has, it's just so big. It has a bunch of glosses in the middle and it kind of looks like the sun, the way they set it up. It's like, oh my. In the middle here is a loose highlighting powder. Over here we have the eyeshadows, and I actually thought these were highlighters the first day, and I was like putting them all over my cheeks and they're freaking blinding. So I'll show you guys how you can kind of use them for both. I also love the names of these, like they did really good. Like how I said air is my element sign to Libra. They have the elements to go along with your signs. And then over here they have some more highlighters. These are the highlighting bars. They've done these before too in other collections, and these ones are also the same names. They have the earth, water, air, and fire. And up top, if you don't know your sign, it says air sign right here. And all the signs that go along with that. Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. What's up, girl? I'm gonna swatch the ones that are my Zodiac sign first, so let's just jump right into it. So this is the gloss that goes along with the Libra, and on all of the glosses, they have the little symbol here. Everything from Wet and Wild is cruelty-free. It's so freaking pretty. Like, you could just wear this by itself or as like a topper. Also, I'll go ahead and do a swatch on the back of my hand. I think it fits me for sure, and the gloss is not sticky at all. If you rub your lips together, you can definitely feel the glitter, but it's not like annoying. It has a smell, but it's not like a bad smell. All right, next on the Libra scale, we have the highlighting bar. You guys are gonna crap yourselves. This is the air. And if you look, you can see all the signs they kind of like indented in there. Wow. So the next thing for Libra is eyeshadow, which, like I said, I thought was a highlighter. I thought that you just mix it around and that's how it worked. Like, I didn't even read it. I went like this. I started here and I just like went in a circle like that. And now it's gonna be, woo, a pink pearly color when you do them all together. Oh my god. So you could wear it as a highlight, like totally. I'm gonna put this in my tear duct Like, what? It's so blinding. I'm not going to swatch any of the other eyeshadows because I think I'm going to give them away to, I mean, oh god, I don't know, I might open this one. Look at it. It's really pretty. Oh my god. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of the lip glosses on my hand. This is a homage beat. Alright guys, I know I said I wasn't going to swatch them all on my lips, but I just decided, why not? You all probably want to see what your shade looks like. My only thing, I thought the glosses were amazing. They were so pigmented, so much glitter, not sticky, which is so hard, I feel like, because a lot of glosses are sticky. The darker shades like Aries, Scorpio, and Sagittarius, they did look a little maybe wishy-washy. But they're still super pigmented. I was surprised, like no lipstick and they were that dark, like nice. So overall, I just loved the packaging. I loved the highlight. I loved the gloss. Like, I really don't have anything negative to say, and I kind of wish I did because I could just feel like it's too perfect. Wet n Wild just killed it, and I have been riding by their highlighters for so long now. I definitely want to know what your guys' zodiac signs are. So if you guys could comment your zodiac sign down below and then which gloss you liked the most, I would just love to read those comments. So yeah, I will see you guys next time.